Go Natural crew? Nina Pop here, coming to you all with another video. Today I wanted to talk to you all about natural deodorants. Now, I have seen online that so many people are like, nah, natural deodorant don't work. I need them chemicals for that. I'm sure part of that is just, you know, people trying to crack their jokes, but no, people are really serious about, like, y'all, natural deodorant don't work. It's not strong enough. So if you are struggling to make your natural deodorant work, stay tuned for this video because I'm going to share with you some tips that I have in front of me right here. I switched to my natural deodorant about 5 months ago, and they say that you're supposed to wait a little while, or you're supposed to do an underarm detox so you won't go messing up your underarms, breaking the skin, and all kind of craziness that I've heard. I just wiped under my arms with some witch hazel. Y'all, I was pretty much good to go after that. And it worked fine. I wasn't musty or anything like that. My online shopping store recently switched the formula of their deodorant. And y'all, I don't know why they would do that, because I was sitting there minding my business, eating my food, and I smelled something, and I'm like, what is that? And so I'm sniffing everything like, what can it be? So all of a sudden, I'm like, okay, it smells like deodorant. Then I was like, whoa, what's going on in this underarm area? Okay. And come to find out, y'all, I was musty. I was musty as all get out, and that ain't make no sense. I want to share with you some things that you can do. Now, a lot of people don't know this, but witch hazel actually is a great way to stop the odor from formulating under your arms. Or even if it is musty, you can always add witch hazel. I mean, of course, take a bath first. And all you have to do is just get a little cotton pad and just pour it on there, and then just, you know, under your arms, under your boobs too now. Okay? Witch hazel has properties that can naturally get your pH balanced. And so this is definitely something you want to keep on hand when you're talking about switching to those natural deodorants. So another thing that you can do, which is also another odor fighter, is tea tree oil and water. You could get a little spray bottle like this. You could pour about 4 or 5 drops of tea tree oil in it, fill it up with water, and then you could just spray this under your arms. This works really well to also pull those nasty odors out and kill that bacteria, because you know bacteria causes odors. Or you can do a detox, an underarm detox. I do know that some natural companies sell products like that if you don't want to try the tea tree oil and the witch hazel. So that pretty much wraps up this video. I actually picked this one up from Sprouts. It's Rose and Lang Lang. If I could find a link, I'll leave a link down below. It literally smells just like the Lang Lang that I have. So I love that. I don't really smell the rose, but I like the smell of this already. And so I'm going to try this one. This one is more so the texture that I'm used to versus this new formula that they got going on. We ain't even gotta talk about that. I'm really excited. I really hope this video has helped you all. So if you are struggling to make that natural deodorant work for you, you might want to try wiping on down with some witch hazel for a few days, or possibly spraying down with some tea tree oil for a few days. If you need tea tree oil, reach out to me. I can get that to you. Or you could just go to my website. That is ninapopwilliams.com/products. Also, don't forget to download my ultimate detox guide for y'all if you're looking for different ways of going natural and toxic free. I share a lot of natural alternatives in that guide, so definitely check that out. And with that being said, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye y'all. Love y'all.